Usually, the line graph is used to compare the continuous data, and the data are plotted as points. These points are always joined by the lines, and this graph is used to compare multiple data set. But the line graph only using continuous data. The line graphs are usually drawn to represent time series data, which data varies with the time. For example, we can represent temperature, rainfall, population growth, birth rates, and death rates. Let's discuss simple example. Here data is given in a table related to number of vans for particular year. It includes 8 years and number of vans for each year. So you are supposed to draw a line chart for this data. Throughout this lesson of data representation, I will use the same data set and some extension of this data set to represent other charts as well. First, I will discuss how to draw this line chart using Excel. Because Excel is widely used software to implement statistical methodologies. The steps are given here. First, you can open the Excel and you can copy this data table in Excel sheet. Then select data range here, number of vans. In Excel sheet, it would be B1 to B9 and you can select this data range. Then on Insert tab, click Chart Group and Line symbol. Here you need to select line with markers. Then below line chart would be the result. If you manually draw this graph, you can choose proper scale for x-axis and y-axis and then mark the points for number of vans of the particular year on xy plane. Then join these points and line chart would be the result. Let's move to polygraph. Polygraph is a line graph in which two or more than two variables are shown on the same diagram by different lines. It helps in comparing the data. Examples which can be shown as polygraph are the growth rate of different crops like rice, wheat, pulses in one diagram. And again, the birth rates, death rates, and life expectancy in one diagram. Again, sex ratio in different states or countries in one diagram. Using polygraph, we can compare data in a single diagram. Here I have expanded the above example with more type of vehicles as cars and buses. Using the same steps in Excel given above, line charts can be drawn as given here, which shows the better comparison among the vehicles in each years and the trend of the vehicle variation from 1970 to 1977.